Alright, problem number 5. Geometry midterm. Find the distance of the segment -10, 2 and 2, -3. Well, we need the distance formula. And the distance formula is that really easy one, right? That you can remember, everyone remembers this one, right? The square root of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared plus x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared. Because that's just so easy. Right? Remember, you have x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? Now, for those of you who might have a slight problem remembering this formula, I have a way of remembering it. Does anyone remember that way?
Flip it, smack it, rub it down.
Perfect. Yes. Flip it. Smack it. Rub it down. Okay. Flipping it or stacking it, right? Two same ways of looking at it. Stack it, flip it, whichever one you want. Okay. I did flip it because that's what the song said. Right? But stacking it makes a little more sense because we're stacking it with the y's on top. Y on top. Okay? What that means is I'm going to have 2 over the -10. And I'm going to have the -3 over the 2. Just flip it. Okay? Smack it. A smack is negative, right? So when I smack a negative, it becomes positive. When I smack a positive, it becomes negative. Okay. So smack it right in the center, up top and down below. Okay? Now, rub it down. Well, when you rub down someone, they have lots of body parts, right? Okay, so we start with arms. Good. So we have these arms, and how many of them are there?
2.
2. So it kind of remembers, oh, because I have 2 arms, that's the whole squared thing. Oh yeah, and they look like arms, right? Got a couple arms here, okay? And then 2 legs. A head, that's the plus sign. And then the torso, the body. Okay? That's the big square root part. And then I've got everything. Okay? So that's distance. Okay? Now I've got to do what's in here. What is 2 minus -3?
6. 5.
5. 2 plus 3, right? The 2 minuses make a plus, so 2 plus 3 is 5. Plus -10 minus 2. I need 10 chairs. I need 2 more. How many chairs do I need? 12. Okay? Think of negatives as needing something. Okay? I need 10. I need 2. I need 12. I'm -12. Okay? Now, when I square it, 2 negatives become a positive, right? 2 positives become a positive. So these just become positive. So 5 squared is
25.
25. And 12 squared is?
144.
Okay. And so now I have 169. Okay. Now we got to square root that number. So we can come over here and go 169. What goes into 169? Is it 2? No. Is it a 3? No. Is it a 5? No. 7? 7 into 16. Gotta be twice with 2 left over. 29? No. 11? Well, the 2 outside numbers should equal the inside number. Well, 9 plus 1 is 10. It's not 6. So no, that's not working. 13. Well, 13 goes into 16 once, right? With 3 left over. Let's think about that. Goes in there once with 3 left over. And how many times does 13 go into 39? Right. So 3 times. So it would be 13. So 13 and 13. Then I take my pairs, and whatever's paired up, I can take outside of the box, right? Okay. So 13 goes outside. The only thing left inside is the 1, but a square root of 1 is just 1, so we're down to 13. And that is the distance.